Hi friends, this is activity 4 for math. Your learning goal is to multiply with arrays up to 10. With this activity, we're going to read this problem. It says that Alana is putting board games into her boxes. How many boxes does she have? It says there are 7 boxes. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes. How many board games are in each of these boxes? It says here 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, all the way to the 7th box. So once you've looked at your key, you go down and you can answer or fill out the problem. It says, how many boxes does she have? Well, we've already counted. You put the number of boxes here times how many board games in each box. Well, they told us there are 2 board games in each box. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you write that number down. And to get the total all together, you're going to multiply boxes times the board games, and that's what you're going to get. So the easier route is you just add up all of the board games in these 7 boxes. Then you write them down here, and you're done.